FryBot, fully automated technology to streamline your frying process. Improving speed, enhancing labor efficiency, improving quality, safety, and savings. The future of restaurant kitchens is evolving. So we evolved the fryer. FryBot improves your throughput goals, increases your yields, allowing for higher profits, consistent quality, and consistent performance. FryBot improves the kitchen productivity and creates a safer environment for employees. The simplicity of operating makes everything smoother. For initiating the frying process on the touchpad, simply press the food to be fried, or for peak times when you want continuous maximum output, just simply place it in batch mode. Loading the RAM is easy and allows for improved volume output. Now you have the capability to fry 2 foods up to 30 pounds in each container. Keeping your employees out of harm's way, eliminating repetitive close contact with hot splattered oil will greatly improve morale and employee retention and safety. Restaurant operators are experiencing massive labor shortages. They also worry about keeping the employees they have. Employees can focus on more important and impactful tasks when FryBot is added to the team. FryBot is an excellent teammate, and what separates it from other automation is its intuitive ability and collaborative mode, making it aware of its surroundings to effectively work side by side with its human coworkers. If, for example, an employee walks into its operating range, FryBot will sense this and reduce its speed immediately. Even if an employee bumps the technology, you can simply reset it by raising the arm in this fashion. With so many variables, FryBot continues to perform and significantly improves your yield for higher profits. Reach out today and learn how FryBot can improve your output and take your profits to the next level.